Okay, what about some left-hand bass? Well, we don't need much. Let's stick with F sharp, which if you're using your do re mi is do, and then at the very end, well in the middle, we're going to move down to la. At the end we're going to do fa, so it's do, la, fa, so, F sharp, D sharp, B, C sharp. Let's try putting it together. So we've got an F sharp. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody. Another F sharp. I wanna feel the heat with somebody. Now change it to a D sharp. Yeah, I wanna dance with somebody. Go to a B. With somebody who loves me. And then you can go round again.